We don't can go and talk about man and informer. A biggie that thing them keep up on the man. What you mean? Hello? Hello? Is this a Crossroad police station? Yes. Yes, I want to report a robbery. Yes, a wicked robbery. Yeah, it happened last night. Yes, in the Crossroad area. It happened right in front of my eye. A man named Tetsi Lights Out Davis get robbed in the container boxing series last night. Yes. Me see it with my own 2 eyes. Tetsi win 4 out of the 7 rounds. Sakima win 1 and 2 round draw. And as the fight done, me see 2 robbers come and rob Tetsi. Yeah, really? Yeah, no, wait, hold on. I really trade them, you know. But one of them never uphold the robbery. But the other 2, them hold up the man and rob him blind. Yes, sir. Yes, officer. No, it happened about 10:30, sir. Yes. Last night. Yes, and after them robbed the man, them took off up the road towards Crossroad side. You me not see them go after that. Yes. No, me not see them face officer dark. All me know is that them rob Tetsi and them give Sakim and Mullins the thing them, yes. No. Sakim never in the robbery. Yes, but him get the things. Yes. Me officer. No. Me not in the identification parade thing. You take man for informer. No, brother, no. Me not in the courthouse business either. Me just give you some information. You must know what to do with it. Eh? How you mean which area me I call from? Officer, work with me now, sir. Eh? That's why I don't care solve crime, because you're not working with the citizen. Yes. The citizen don't trust you know. How you mean? My name. John Brown. Yes. John Brown. Next thing you know, you carry my name, go to the criminal. Eh? Are you yourself? Come on me down. I don't trust. All right, I'm sorry, God.